This is Janice from the Style Equalizer. I'm going to walk you through a quick tutorial of the interface. Over here, you see the equalizer. These are your 7 sliders. You can adjust these yourself, but for this tutorial, we're going to use one of the ready-made presets. I'm using this simple paragraph because if an author gave it to an editor, they'd tell them this is not good writing, that it's basic, just a bunch of plot points, and they'd be right. But with the Style Equalizer, you can transform this basic paragraph into any of our 76 fiction presets. In this case, we're choosing romance, one of the 8 free presets. And here's the output. As you can see, every story beat from the original paragraph is still there. They've just been enhanced for romance fiction. Down in the right-hand corner, you see 100% voice clarity, your story, your beats. Just better. At that point, you can hit use this to keep it or clear output to try something else. Now let me show you what makes this romance. These are the romance genre elements. What makes romance sound like romance. Emotional metaphor, comfort and ritual, meaningful connection, emotional weather, poetic imagery, hope and possibility. Every romance novel has these. The preset is built on them. Now watch how they changed your paragraph. The opening, fatigue, clinging like an unwelcome shadow. That's emotional metaphor. The ritual, familiar ritual offering a small comfort. Comfort and ritual. The connection, a brief moment of connection in her otherwise solitary day. Meaningful connection. See how it works? The elements drive the transformation. This is the patent-pending technology. Horror has different elements. Thriller has different elements. But romance? These are yours. No more wrestling with AI to get the tone right. The Style Equalizer has it built in. Go to thestyleequalizer.com, get your 10,000 words free, start transforming.